in what you're doing, or when before you started, did you ever kind of like come up against, I don't know, fears or anything like that, or things that kind of held you back, like worrying about other people, what they're going to think to it or anything?
You know, I'll tell you one thing that pertains to kind of now, because I just recently started putting myself out there as the man behind the brand.
Mm.
And, before that, it was just the brand. So, one thing coming from now was putting myself really out there, putting videos of myself
Yeah,
online and stuff like that. So, like, I wasn't really sure if I really wanted to do that
yeah,
because I'm not a very like outspoken person. I'm not a very loud person like that. So that was a big obstacle for me personally to help my brand grow,
mm.
was to put myself out there because I'm a very private person personally.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it
yeah.
was hard for me to want to do it. Like it was
Mm.
hard for me to be like, okay, now this is what I'm gonna do.
Yeah,
But eventually, like just doing it and doing it more and more and more, you get more comfortable with doing it. So, that was a pretty big obstacle. And before I did that, the brand wasn't really as big as it is now. Once I was able to, feel confident and comfortable enough to put myself out there as, the front man of the brand started growing more and more, and people feel more connected to us on
mm.
a personal level. They feel like they understand more of the brand. They're able to connect with the brand more through understanding me more, which was
Mm.
an obstacle, the obstacle in growing the brand.
Yeah, yeah, no, exactly. And I think it's good that you kind of took that leap, that leap of faith, isn't it? Because it's like it's not easy, especially on the internet, putting things out there when you're not used to it, and it's like that exposure that you're going to get, and that comfort zone, isn't it? Going out of comfort zone, especially if when, like you said, you're pretty private and you don't really, do you know what I mean, put too much out there. I think it's a change, isn't it? And it's good that you're able to do that just by consistently doing it. And like you said, it's growing your brand, but almost like it's probably like part growing yourself as well, isn't it? Like hand in hand.
Yeah, definitely. It definitely is a confident booster. Like whether people watch this stuff, because like we put out vlogs like a couple times, a few times a month, 3 4 times a month on our YouTube channel, and I'll be talking about what we're doing and stuff. But it's definitely like it's a confident booster. I'm way more comfortable on camera. Like I'm way more
Yeah.
comfortable putting myself out there more, and I just feel like better about doing it. And whether people like it or don't like it, or if they associate
Mm.
me with the brand too much, which was something I was worried about. I don't want to be the brand. You know what I'm saying? I still want
Mm.
I want What a Funk to be its thing. I just want to be the guy who does What a Funk, So that
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
that was the kind of thing which I wasn't really sure about. I didn't want people to associate just me as
Mm.
What a Funk. I wanted everyone to be What a Funk. But
Yeah.
it's definitely been a ride like that in the
Yeah.
sense of that.